Hi, welcome back to Captain's Corner. This is where we share best practices and helpful tips. My name is Captain Rob, and I'm going to go over the boat controls, the electronics, some of the navigation equipment. So at first it may seem a little intimidating, but if you take the chance to work alongside an experienced captain, we'll get you through it, and you'll find that it's pretty straightforward and not that difficult. One of the benefits of a Freedom Boat Club membership is there are a variety of boats to use, but with that comes different throttle types. How they're actuated can be a little bit different, and so that takes some time to get used to. So even before you leave the dock, I typically teach our members to just engage the throttle, determine where neutral is located, which is here, engage it forward, and that starts the acceleration with the spinning of our propeller, right? And you can gradually increase speed by pushing up on the throttle. You can hear the engine start to rev, and then I can bring it back to just clutch ahead. There's a click. One more click, I'm back in neutral. Now if I want to put the boat into reverse, one click back, and then I can accelerate how much backing thrust I desire. Okay, so in this setting, I've engaged the engine, I'm moving forward, not too much because right now I'm in an area where I don't want to create a large wake. So that's just, again, getting to know your boat, getting to know the type of construction, the type of wave that can be created by your speed. And so here I'm just turning around, making sure I'm not creating a wake that could damage something or cause somebody harm. So when I'm ready to accelerate, I look around, make sure that my passengers are ready for me to come up. I may announce it. Something simple as, okay, I'm coming up, and I'll start to increase my speed nice and gradually. Okay, for steering, it's pretty basic. It's not unlike your car, right? You're gonna steer to the left to make the boat move to the left. You're gonna steer to the right to make the boat move to the right. But you also notice the steering will change depending on the speeds you're making. And so a lot of people tend to oversteer at slower speeds. And so you just have to make small changes, let the boat settle out, and then at higher speeds, you need much less steering. All right, so you'll notice on this console, I have a Simrad GPS chart plotter. On the left, I have it set up for my chart visual, and on the right, I have it in a split screen combo mode where I can look at my depth and also look at my bottom contour. That's what I like as a quick reference as I move up and down the ICW. And then over to the right, the next screen, you'll have all of your engine systems monitored. On this one, you can check your coolant temperatures, your coolant pressure, oil pressure, and your fuel flow. And you'll notice on my phone, I like to have a navigation app. In this case, it's called Argo. It's something that we offer to our members with a premium membership. With a little experience, and once you start to understand how the throttles operate and how the electronics function and how all that integrates with your control out on the water, you'll find that this is pretty straightforward and simple. Thank you for joining us on this Captain's Corner. We'll look forward to seeing you on the water, and don't forget, please like and subscribe.